तो if E naught will be negative, तो reaction will not be spontaneous. E naught negative means delta G positive. So E naught negative means reaction non-spontaneous. If I say more negative, that means highly non-spontaneous, not at all happening. So why the reaction not happening? Is because the reactant must be more stable. That is why the reaction not happening. Na? Why the reaction will not happen? Because reactant is more stable. He is not interested for the reaction. So R, Mn2 plus Zn2 plus nickel 2 plus ions extra stable? Yes. Because of that, is this E naught value coming more negative? Yes. So assertion true, reason true, explanation correct. Say bhai, is this question clear? This question is made from the last class theory only. Like this, 3 questions are there actually. These are 3 different questions combined into one to save the time. But I think concept is clear. Done bhaiya. Going to next question. Ready? Going to the next question. Recap of last class going on. From there only we have to continue our next topic. Recap of the last class going on. Some questions we are doing from the last lecture. Next. Identify true or false. Number 1. Copper 2 plus aqueous is more stable than copper plus 1 aqueous due to more negative hydration enthalpy than IE2. Statement 1, true or false? Last class only we have discussed this. Last question of the last class. True or false? Copper 2 plus aqueous is more stable than copper plus 1 aqueous due to more negative hydration enthalpy than IE2. Correct. True. Last class only discussed. Second statement. E naught copper 2 plus slash copper is positive. Correct. That is the only E naught value which is positive. So E naught copper 2 plus slash copper is positive due to low negative hydration enthalpy then IE1, 2 and atomization enthalpy. Second statement is the question. First one, the true, 100% true. If first one is true, what do you think about the second one? Second one should be true or false. If first one is true, what do you think about the second one? The second statement should be false because if it is given more negative here, then how it can be low negative here? Copper 2 plus hydration enthalpy is more negative, then how the copper 2 plus hydration enthalpy become less negative here? Viliginda? But the answer is true. This statement is also 100% true. Say bhai, interesting? Nice. Sir, high or low? Hydration enthalpy is high or low? Sir, there to high given, here to low given. Getting why? The moment we think we understood chemistry, you lost it. If every this are high, low is relative. What is high for me might be low for you. Sir, I might get 160 marks in chemistry and I might feel very happy. But someone's lowest marks might be 160. If I compare with All India rank 1, then 660 marks will be very less, low marks. But if I compare the same marks with my last year NEET exam marks, then they are very high. Marks are same. The person with whom you are comparing, that person is going to decide high or low. Say bhai, first common sense clear to you? Basic common sense. We cannot comment upon high low until we know with whom we are comparing. Now understand, when you come up to here clear na? Oh bhai, hello. High and low are relative, this much clear or this much also not clear? High and low is a relative term. Highest and lowest, that you can say. But high and low, higher and lower, these are relative terms. If I say you are getting good marks, so how much marks are you getting? What is my definition of good, you know? Maybe I will say 650 marks are coming, are not good. You might think they are good. Some student is there who is getting consistently 710, 715. I will say at this time you got only 695 marks. Someone might think, sir, only 695. Marks are same. But according to different point of view, that same thing will be high or low, regarded as high or low. Now understand, when I am comparing copper 2 plus with copper plus 1, देखिए भाई, copper plus 1, copper 2 plus aqueous. When I am comparing copper plus 1 aqueous, copper plus 2 aqueous, tell me how much energy required to convert copper plus 1 to plus 2. So sir, I need only ionization enthalpy 2 plus 1 to plus 2. I don't need atomization energy because atomization already happened. I don't need IE1 because ionization enthalpy 1 already given, then only copper plus 1 formed. I just want to compare plus 1 and plus 2. That means only IE2 and hydration enthalpies are involved. So as compared to only IE2, this hydration enthalpy is high. This hydration enthalpy will provide you enough energy which is more than IE2. So copper plus 1 become plus 2. But when I am comparing copper 2 plus and 0, copper 2 plus and 0, so I am comparing copper to copper 2 plus, copper solid to copper 2 plus aqueous. Here atomization enthalpy will also come by. Isolated gaseous atom in the ground state I want. Once I get isolated gaseous atom in the ground state, I will make copper 2 plus aqueous, that is IE1 plus IE2. 2 electrons are released. After that hydration enthalpy will come. So here, apart from hydration enthalpy, IE1, IE2, atomization, 3 enthalpies are involved here. So as compared to IE1 plus IE2 plus atomization, this hydration enthalpy is low. And the same hydration enthalpy as compared to IE2 is high. That is why copper plus 1 become copper plus 2, but copper does not become copper plus 2. To make copper into copper plus 2, copper 2 plus 2 copper, positive E naught. This is positive E naught. So this backward is negative E naught. Na? Why copper not becoming copper 2 plus? Because hydration enthalpy is not so high, it is low only as compared to IE1 plus IE2 plus atomization. So understanding the same hydration enthalpy can be high or low. If you compare with only IE2, plus 1 to plus 2 only conversion, only plus 1 plus 2 comparison, so same hydration enthalpy appears to be high. Only selection required, 550 marks are good. Aims required, you will not even qualify to sit in dentistry also, veterinary also in the aims with the 550 marks. Getting by? Same 550 are high for last year long terms. Same 550 is low for this year toppers. So as compared to IE2, hydration enthalpy is high. as compared to IE2 plus IE1 plus atomization, same hydrogen enthalpy is low. Say bhai, any problem, samasya, pida. So those who said false or those who thought false, clear why it is true. And this is NCERT in text question. Done bhai. Done. These are energy required. These are energy required, and this is the energy released. Now the thermo over. Hydration enthalpy is negative. It is the released energy. Exothermic. These are endothermic. Clear, bhai? So who will give the energy here? Who will give the requirement? He. If he can't provide this much energy, process will not happen. If he can provide this much energy, process will happen. Going ahead. Going ahead. Assertion. Nickel 2 plus aqueous is more stable than nickel 3 plus aqueous. Reason. Hydration enthalpy of nickel 3 plus is not enough to compensate IE3. Now, last class we have remembered कि nickel 2 plus is stable. We know this. So assertion to true. Because nickel 2 plus is stable, last class we have seen hydration enthalpy was the reason. Whose hydration enthalpy? Nickel 2 plus. So why it is not forming nickel plus 3? Because if nickel plus 2 want to become nickel plus 3, who will give this? How much energy required? IE3 required. If nickel plus 2 is more stable, that means IE3 is not provided by the hydration enthalpy of nickel 3 plus. That's why the conversion not happening. Say bhai, assertion true, reason to explanation correct. Got or not? If you want to convert nickel plus 2 to plus 3, you have to provide IE3. That is not provided by hydration enthalpy of nickel 3 plus. That's why the process is not happening. Otherwise, it would have happened. In the last example, copper plus 1 to plus 2 IE2 kavala. Correct? IE2 kawali. That IE2 is provided by hydration enthalpy. The process was happening. Here the IE3 is not provided by the hydration enthalpy of nickel 2 plus, nickel 3 plus. So nickel 3 plus is not formed. Done by. Next. Assertion. Chromium 2 plus D4 and is reducing agent, but Mn3 plus D4 is oxidizing agent. Reason. Chromium 2 plus becomes chromium 3 plus half filled T2G and Mn3 plus becomes Mn2 plus D5. Say bhai, what do you think? Firstly, assertion. So last class we studied TV car, if they are 2, they become 3. So TV car, chromium, plus 2 to plus 3 conversion possible, oxidation possible, so it is a reducing agent. Cobalt 3 plus Mn3 plus are the strongest oxidizing agent in the aqueous medium. Both are D4. Then why is he reducing agent? Why is that oxidizing agent? Is because chromium plus 3 is more stable, half filled T2G. And Mn plus 2 more stable because half filled D subshell. So bilkul assertion and reason both are true and explanation correct. Say bhai, to last class whatever we have read the stability of ions, based upon that these questions clear to you bhai? Comfortable now in the reasoning questions bhai? Reasoning questions comfortable now? All these are NCERT questions. So Cr2 plus is becoming 3 plus, oxidation, to reducing agent. Manganese 3 plus becoming 2 plus, reduction, oxidizing agent. Now, oxygen and fluorine. So oxygen is my Shankar Dada and fluorine is Shrikant. So who are the Shankar Dada and Shrikant of the whole periodic table? Oxygen and fluorine. They are the Shankar Dada Shrikant of the whole periodic table. They excite central atom to highest oxidation states. Oxygen is better than fluorine as O forms multiple bonds. Oxygen can form double bond, fluorine can form only single bond. Clear भाई? आकाश सर्च कर ले भाई. Search little bit तो work you will also do or everything I will do. My selection is at stake क्या? Search कर. Online students you are, so at least everything is available without paying any money. NCERT example are also available on net. NCERT also available. This much home cooked since when you started asking bhai? Yes sir, everything cook and feed meat and digest also, I will excrete only. Anyway, so oxygen is better than fluorine as O forms multiple bonds. Then bhaiya, try to understand what does it mean. For example, chromium highest is +6. Chromium can form +6 with fluorine, Shrikant. And if he is forming +6 with Shrikant, highest oxidation state, he can comfortably form +6 with oxygen also, Shankar Dada. Only difference is that one oxygen make double bond. So 3 oxygen, 6 bond. 1 fluorine, 1 bond. So 6 fluorine, 6 bond. So +6 you can get of chromium with 6 fluorine, 6 Shrikant. Same +6 you will get by 3 Shankar Dada only. So who's the Shankar Dada here? Oxygen. So if someone asks you why oxygen is the Shankar Dada, why oxygen is better in generating the highest oxidation state than fluorine, it is because oxygen can form multiple bonds. So for one oxygen +2 will come. For 2 oxygen +4 will come. Similarly, vanadium, VF5, highest of vanadium +5. And with oxygen, obviously, +5. If Shrikant can generate +6, +5, so oxygen can comfortably generate. He is the Shankar Dada here. So, but here also 5, sir, there also 5. Here 5 for 1 vanadium. There 5 for 2 vanadium. For 1 vanadium, here 2.5 oxygen only required. For 1 vanadium, only 2.5 oxygen required. So, bhaiya, CrX6 not possible. Where X is chlorine, bromine, iodine. VX5 not possible. Try to understand. Chlorine cannot generate +5, bromine cannot generate +5, iodine cannot generate +5 with vanadium. Chlorine, bromine, iodine cannot generate +6 with chromium. Shankar Dada and Shrikant can. Oxygen and fluorine can. Why? Because number one, they are most electronegative and they are the best oxidizing agents. So they excite, they oxidize the central atom to the highest oxidation state. Say bhai, clear? Say bhaiya, any problem, samasya, pida up to here? check, check, check. Clear or not clear? The highest oxidation states, exceptionally high oxidation states, can be shown in the presence of Shankar Dada and Shrikant. Clear or not clear up to here? Say bhai. Oh uncle auntie, clear or not clear? Sleeping kya? Started sleeping already? Oh bhai, hello? Anyone listening to the lecture? Only Shyam is listening. Remaining people are sleeping only. Now, VX5 not there. So this chlorine, bromine, iodine, na, they started crying. Kr plus 5 is shown with fluorine. Ca. Someone is asking what Ca means. क्या गधे लोग है भाई? I said central atom. सुन लिया करो. Something sometimes listen. Central atom. Central atom. Chemical bonding over. Central atom you have used there several times. हाँ भैया. तो VF5. तो chlorine, bromine, iodine started crying. क्या fluorine is going +5 there. Oxygen going +5 there. We are going +5. Vanadium is not showing. They cried. They went to Shankar Dada. Shankar Dada, we also want +5 now. Vanadium is not giving us +5 now. Please come now. He asked Vanadium now. So Shankar Dada went to Vanadium. One slab given. How many slab given? One slab enough, bhai sahab. Shankar Dada yaar. One slab given. How many are there? Chlorine, bromine, iodine. 3 of them are there. So one slab they also gave. 1 slab chlorine given, 1 slab bromine given, 1 slab iodine given. To whom? Vanadium. So +2 will come because of oxygen. Oxygen make 2 bond, halogen make 1 bond, so total +5. So simple halide, simple chloride, simple bromide, simple iodide of vanadium in +5 not possible. Oxohalide possible. This reaction is called hydrolysis. So understanding why I am calling Shankar Dada. Oxygen is Shankar Dada, because he fight for others. He slapped vanadium. Why not giving +5 to him? But chlorine, you also slap. Hey, stand, slap. Bromine, iodine, +5 came. Understood the idea, bhai sahab? Then manganese. Manganese show highest +7. Manganese show highest +7. So MF7. If Shrikant have to make sure +7 is state, he has to become MF7. But MF7 does not exist. Why? Steric hindrance. Bhaiya, who will adjust 7 fluorine around manganese here? Adjusting 7 fluorine atom around manganese is very difficult. Steric hindrance will be there. Then sir, what will happen? Max to max, MnF4 possible, that is +4. So what about Shankar Dada? Shankar Dada is Shankar Dada na yaar. If Shankar Dada will come, so comfortably +7 possible. 2 manganese, 7 oxygen atom. So 1 manganese, only 3.5. 3.5 oxygen atom enough to get +7. Now who will cry? Here chlorine, bromine, iodine were crying. Shankar Dada came to rescue. Here who is crying now? Here who is the crybaby? Going to Shankar Dada asking, Dada, +7 kawali, please. Who is the person who will go and cry in front of oxygen? Say bhai. Fluorine. So fluorine will go to oxygen. Shankar Dada, please, Shankar Dada yaar. You are getting +7, I also want +7, Shankar Dada yaar. So Shrikant went and asked oxygen. So oxygen said, come, no, don't worry. Fluorine is only 1. Fluorine is only 1. 3 slab given by Shankar Dada. 3 slab. +2, +2, +2. +6 came. 1 fluorine, +7. तो ऑक्सोहैलाइड मैंगनीज कैन शो +7, but simple fluoride of manganese +7 not possible. So simple fluoride of manganese not possible to have +7 because of steric hindrance. But oxofluoride, then no problem, +7 possible. Say bhai, is the talent of Shankar Dada clear to you? Why Shankar Dada is talented clear to you? Because of double bond formation tendency. Ready? Going to the next point now. Next, COF3 stable due to high lattice enthalpy. It has ionic nature. VF5 and CRF6 stable due to high bond enthalpy. It has covalent nature. They have covalent nature. Now Fajans rule to everyone know yaar. Fajans rule, Fajans rule, whatever you want to call it. So as the charge increases, covalent character increase. Who are covalent in nature? +5, +6, +7, they are highly covalent. Who are ionic? +1, 2, 3. They are majorly ionic. To understanding why I am saying COF3 ionic, +1, 2, 3 charge ionic. Then who is covalent? 5, 6, 7, 8. Higher charge. These are covalent. Is the ionic covalent drama clear to you? Who is ionic? Who is covalent? Then bhai, ionic compounds attraction is called lattice enthalpy. And covalent compound attraction is called bond enthalpy. Energy required to break a covalent bond into gaseous atom, bond enthalpy. Energy required to break the ionic interaction into gaseous ion, lattice enthalpy. Definition. So how you can remember? ये चिन्ना चिन्ना पिल्ला पिल्लाडू ना, चिन्ना पिल्ला पिल्लाडू, ये निब्बा निब्बी, you know निब्बा निब्बी यार, ये निब्बा निब्बी, they will stay together because of high love for each other. No other reason, no substantial reason. Love over, bond over. So COF3 +1, 2, 3, ये चिन्ना चिन्ना 1, 2, 3 charge, they are stable due to high love for each other. ये निब्बा निब्बी type. Then come mature people. Mature people +5, +6. They understand here love does not matter. Bond is important. Bonding should be good. So mature people, VF5, CRF6, high oxidation state, they are stable because they have high bond enthalpy. Their bonding is good. And for nibba nibbi +1, 2, 3, if they are stable, it is only because of love for each other. Lattice enthalpy. Lattice enthalpy over, game over. Say bhaiya, understood how to remember it? Going ahead. Done. With higher oxidation state, fluorine will be stable, iodine not stable, and with the lower oxidation state, fluorine not stable, iodine stable. So higher oxidation states are stabilized by Shankar Dada Shrikant. Now I am comparing Shrikant family, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine I am comparing now. So higher oxidation state, fluorine will be able to show the higher oxidation state of the central atom. Lower oxidation state, fluorine not stable. He will try to oxidize them. Similarly, higher oxidation state, iodine not stable, but lower oxidation state, iodine is stable. Example, vanadium show +5 and +2, for example here. Lowest oxidation state of vanadium, lowest, is +2 and the highest oxidation state of vanadium is +5. So VF5 or VI5, who does not exist? So obviously VI5. Why, sir? Higher oxidation state, fluoride stable, iodide ले दूं. Lower oxidation state, iodide stable, fluoride ले दूं. तो iodide, bromide, chloride possible. Lower oxidation state, fluoride not possible. So in the lower oxidation state, fluoride is stable? No. Iodide is stable. In the higher oxidation state, fluoride is stable? Yes. Iodide not stable. Take one more example. Copper 2 plus copper plus 1. For copper, +2 is higher. For copper, +1 is lower. So +2 higher. CuI2 or CuF2, which one will not exist? Which one will not exist? Not exist. Higher oxidation state, higher. Out of CuF2 and CuI2, who will not exist? Not. Say bhai. Targa type yaar. Correct है भवानी. Targa. Bhavani answered only here. Remaining are sleeping. Akash correct. Sai बिल्कुल बकवास. Sai has only answered wrong. Remaining all answered correct. Clear भाई sir? Done. Any doubt? Similarly, +1 lower means CuI or CuF. Which one will not exist? So lower oxidation state, fluoride ले दूं. For lower oxidation state, fluorine will not exist. If you try to keep copper 2 plus and I minus together, thinking that they will form CuI2. So sir, higher oxidation state, iodide ले दूं. Then sir, what will happen? Then copper will become Cu2I2, that is +1, and iodine gas will release. So if you try to keep clear भैया? Akash, it is not a trick, it is concept यार. Higher oxidation state is there, they will oxidize I minus. It's a concept. And if lower oxidation state is there, then fluorine being a better oxidizing agent will oxidize the lower oxidation state into higher. So lower oxidation state with fluorine not possible, because it will oxidize it to the higher oxidation state. Clear bhai? Trick was nibba nibbi. This is science. Say bhaiya, any problem, samasya, pida here? Done bhai. Shall we move on? चलिए बढ़िया. So this was about the conceptual part of this lecture. Now some mugging part of the lecture coming. Some easy mugging part is there. Then bhai, which are those easy mugging part? We can open NCERT also. Brass is alloy of copper and zinc. Bronze is alloy of copper and tin. 15% variation in the radius should be there. That's all about the alloy topic. Done bhai. Then interstitial compounds. 4 points are there in the interstitial compound, from which they can ask you a statement type of question. All those things one by one we will see. So we can come to 8.3.9 topic. Now, magnetic property, 8.3.9. Clear, bhai? Now here, what is the main thing? Underline this part. For the compounds of first series of transition metals, the contribution of the orbital angular momentum is effectively quenched. Quenched means decreased. Orbital angular momentum, their effect will be decreased. Hence is of no significance. So for these, the magnetic moment is determined by the number of unpaired electrons and is calculated by using the spin-only formula. And this formula you have done in the structure of atom. Mu of n into n plus 2 Bohr magneton, where n is the number of unpaired electrons. Clear, right? Now, what we are saying is that electron spins about its axis. Apart from the spin of the electron, the orbital, where it is there, that orbital is also spinning. The atom which contains the orbital, that atom also spins. It's like you are finding the moment of inertia of a cylinder. In physics track 1, you are finding the moment of inertia of a cylinder, because it is rotating about the axis. But you are neglecting the rotation of the earth. Earth contains the cylinder, which you are rotating. The cylinder is on the earth only, na? But what you are doing, you are neglecting the rotation of the earth and only considering the rotation of the substance. Similarly, we are neglecting the rotation of the orbital which contains the electron. So orbital angular momentum, his value is little lesser. So we can neglect it. No major significance is there. So we find only the magnetic moment by the spin of electron. And we call it spin only magnetic moment. Clear, bhaiya? Done? Now, underline this line. The magnetic moment calculated from the spin only formula and those derived experimentally, they will differ. Why they will differ? Because when you are calculating by the formula spin only, you are neglecting the contribution of the orbital angular momentum. So you are neglecting them. So in the actual value, some variation will come in the answer. You are finding spin only. And reality is that spin is there of the electron plus orbital also revolving, rotating there. You are neglecting that. Negligible difference is there, but it will be there. Like 1.73 here, 1.75. Calculated 1.73 by root of n into n plus 2. But actual data 1.75. Why this variation coming? Sir, this variation is coming because we are neglecting the contribution of the orbital angular momentum. Say, bhai, is this concept clear to you? Clear or not clear? Done, bhai. Badhiya. So what to write in the notebook? Only one thing. Mu is root of n into n plus 2 bm. Example, Mn2 plus. Mn2 plus d5. d5 means number of unpaired electron. How many? N is the number of unpaired electrons. 5. So mu will come root of 5 into 5 plus 2. That is root of 35. That is around 5.92 bm. That is your calculated value. Observed value will come 5.96 bm somewhere. So why there is a deviation from the observed and the calculated value? Because we were neglecting till now the orbital angular momentum. So there are three people, T, V, car. Which TV car? TV car 2 plus. Remember last class also TV car read. So TV car plus 2, they are the people whose calculated value is more than observed. For remaining everyone, observed value is more. Like for example, manganese 2 plus, I have taken the example. His observed value is more than calculated. For remaining everyone, calculated more than observed. Sorry, not remaining everyone. For TV car, calculated is more than observed in plus 2. For TV car plus 2 only, calculated is more than observed. Check the table again, you will get. Check the table in NCERT, you will get. For this is not helium, this is titanium. Titanium, vanadium, chromium plus 2. For these people, observed value is less. Calculated values are more. For remaining everyone, check. Calculated values are less, observed are more. So who are the only people whose calculated values are more than observed? That is titanium, vanadium, chromium plus 2. TV car 2 plus. The same people who are good reducing agent, these people have the same value of calculated more than observed. Everything from NCERT should be known by you. Don't leave anything. Clear, Vaisa? Going to the next point. Hopefully noted. Going to the next point. Question number 8.8, so you have done 8.8. This in-test question you will try. Now, formation of the color ions. Colors I will tell at the last. Formation of complex compound. This one you will read because I have to teach this whole topic in the next chapter completely. Catalytic property we have completed. Formation of interstitial compound. Now see. From here, statement type of question will come in the exam. First thing, what are the interstitial compound? When chinna atoms, small atoms like hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen are trapped inside the crystal lattice of metals, they form interstitial compound. You have done this. Interstitial hydride topic. Same. They will ask you which of the following is true. Done, bhaiya? So I'm converting this into question in the notebook. But this I will tell. Don't worry about it. Then here, alloy formation. Alloy formation, 2 points you will underline. Point number 1, which I said, brass, bronze at the bottom here. So brass, copper, zinc, bronze, copper, tin. Next, alloys are formed by the atom with metallic radii within about 15% of each other. Within 15%, 1.5. If the radius will be there, then they form the alloy, otherwise not. What's the characteristics, bhai sahab, here? They are hard, they have often high melting point. Clear, bhaiya? This is about alloy. All this chinna mugging topics are there. Now I'm converting into question, bhaiya. Question. Which is false regarding interstitial compounds? Number 1, they are very hard and higher melting points than pure metals. Even as hard as diamond, some of them. Number 2, hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen trap in metal lattice. Third, they retain electrical conductivity. Number 4, they are reactive. Which is the false statement? You have the NCERT with you. See the interstitial compound topic. From the interstitial compound topic, read the 4 statements given and tell me which one is false here. More or less, this is the whole topic. This question is the whole topic, more or less. Bilkul, 4. Shyam, read the NCERT again. Or maybe read the dictionary. Some English word not clear. So they are chemically inert, not reactive. That is the only statement which is false. Remaining everything is correct. Clear, bhai sahab? Any problem, any samasya, any pida up to here? Done? So small topics are there that you will read. Colors I will tell you now. Remaining topic you will read comfortably from NCERT, which I just now told you. Some questions like this can be asked. Going ahead. So interstitial compounds, they are good conductor. They are hard. They have high melting point. Going ahead now, colors. So write down colors. D0 means scandium 3 plus titanium 4 plus. देखो scandium is S2D1. तो scandium 3 plus means electrons gone. D0. Titanium is S2D2. Titanium 4 plus means all the electrons gone. D0. And D10. D10 is copper plus 1. Zn2 plus are colorless. So which are the ions who are colorless? So D0 and D10 ions are colorless. Done, bhai? Now talking about the colored ions. Remember Mn2 plus pinky. She has to live with yellow, dirty fellow. Remember? They both are D5. Pinky lives with yellow, dirty fellow. Then comes titanium 3 plus purple color. It will come in coordination again. Coordination compound chapter, it will come again. Titanium 3 plus purple. 4 plus is colorless. 3 plus is not colorless. 3 plus has D1 configuration. It is purple. Then by them, cobalt 2 plus, cobalt 3 plus. They are blue pink. They have blue pink color. So blue or pink? Both. Depending upon temperature. At freezing temperature, pinkish color will come. At room temperature, bluish color will come. And cobalt 2 plus, cobalt 3 plus are in equilibrium. Done, bhai? So specifically, I am not saying cobalt 2 plus is blue or cobalt 2 plus is pink. No. There is no specific color you have to remember. But these ions are in equilibrium. And sometimes blue color, sometimes pink color, depending upon temperature will come. This is dependent on temperature. Sometimes blue, sometimes pink. Say bhai, clear up to here? Firstly, these basic color you will remember. Then I will tell you the list of the remaining colors. So pinky, yellow, dirty fellow we have done. Last class only. Now I am starting with the other colors. Dekhiye, understand. This is table number 8.8 from NCERT. Check the table from NCERT, table number 8.8. In the new NCERT 4.8. Check the table. Table number 8.8 or 4.8 we are reading. Which color? 8.8, 4.8 we are reading here. Table number 8.8 or 4.8. This is the table of the color. Now listen carefully. Vanadium is a party animal. Vanadium loves to party. Clear, bhai sir? Vanadium loves to party. Party animal. Remember that song? Aaj blue hai pani, bani, 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 bani. Din hai sani, 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 sani. Aajo on the beach, yaar, photo meri khich. Remember? So Vanadium went to that party, blue party. Because blue hai pani, bani, 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 bani. Understood? Vanadium went to blue party. Sir, then pool party was there, blue color party. Table number 8. So bill came $8. How much bill came? $8 bill. Spending in dollars, yeah, rich person. $8 bill came. Vanadium went to the party. In the same party, chromium came, copper came. And vanadium paid $4 out of 8. Alone he paid $4. Why? First party, na party animal. First party. $4 paid. Yeah? $4 you take. Remaining you can contribute. Out of $8, 4 paid by vanadium. How much left? 4. So how much chromium copper will pay? 2. Everyone know copper 2 plus. This is all aqueous medium. Everyone know copper 2 plus is blue color. Remember? The blue vitriol here, copper 2 plus blue color. So copper 2 plus to blue only. And copper plus 1 colorless. Copper plus 1 colorless. D10. So copper I को दी. Next party happened in vanadium's farmhouse. V for vanadium, V for violet. Vanadium house. What's the house of vanadium? V for vanadium, V for violet is the house. He thought, yeah, last time I gave $4 out of 8. Remaining people give 2. So this time I will give $2 only. But he did not tell others. He invited them for the party. Chromium came running to the party. Why? Chromium was very happy. कि $8 bill will come. I will pay only $2. So mathematically, I am winning na. And Chromium brought his best friend Manganese also. कि Manganese come here. Vanadium is very duffer. Vanadium will pay out of 8. Vanadium will pay $4. We have to pay 2 only. Come na. But when they came, when the bill came, Vanadium took out only $2. He said to Chromium, कि यार last time I paid 4 na. Now I am paying 2 only. Out of 8, 2 paid by vanadium. 6 left. So now chromium and copper had to pay $3. Chromium became very angry. But before calling, you should tell you are not going to pay $4. I thought you will pay $4. That's why I came to your party. Otherwise, I'm not interested in your party. We will have our party only. Clear, bhai? So they showed red signal to vanadium. We will not attend his party. We will not give him party. Vanadium, red signal. So vanadium requested. He said, sorry, yaar, I thought you are okay with that. Okay, now please give me green signal. I have less money left. That's why I paid $2 only. What I will do now is that I will only and only order for $7. We all will pay $2. $1 extra I will pay as a token of sorry. Please come to my party. Please give me green signal. No one came. Out of these, no one came. Ego problem, teenagers. I will not go to vanadium party anymore. But luckily, 2 people were there. Remember? Ni Coffee, Fico Ni. They go everywhere almost. So they came here also. Iron came, nickel came. Sir, why cobalt did not come? Cobalt is having some family problem. No? They are not able to decide blue or pink, which color to be shown. So they were busy in their decision. Who came? Fe came, nickel came. How much? 7. So 2 plus, they showed, vanadium showed 3 plus, $1 extra. So what's the color of nickel 2 plus aqueous? Green. Fe 2 plus aqueous? Green. Vanadium 3 plus aqueous? Green. Say bhai. Understood how you can remember the colors? So number 1, remember. Blue, vanadium, blue color. How much out of 8 he paid? Out of 8, how much he paid? 4. Remaining copper 2 plus blue, everyone will remember. The other person is chromium 2 plus. Then chromium went with his best friend manganese, chromium manganese, Karman. Together they went. But in the next party, vanadium paid only $2. That was in his house, violet party. Remaining have to pay 3 plus 3 plus. So chromium 3 plus, Mn 3 plus, vanadium 2 plus, they are violet. Then finally vanadium said, okay, I will only order for $7. Equal, we will pay. I will pay 1 extra. So vanadium 3 plus, green. Apart from that, Fe 2 plus, nickel 2 plus. And that's all for today. These colors, make sure that you remember, because this year these colors are even more important. Not only D and F block, they will also help you in the qualitative analysis of cations as well. That's the primary test, color of the ions. Say bhai, any problem, samasya, peeda up to here? Done? Any doubt? Madhunika, they will, if you have attempted the paper, Madhunika, if you have attempted the paper, it will come in the app. If paper not attempted, then it will never come. Okay, so separately they will not keep anywhere. The app is there, app have everything. If paper not attempted, you will not be able to see. If attempted, you will be able to see. चलिए डन भाई. Revise all these things. Come in the next class. Very important topic it is. Don't take it lightly. Plus, so many things are there to remember also. चलिए okay then. Bye bye. Bye bye. Tata. So Madhunika, in the app only you go to the papers. You will get the paper there only. Done. You will be able to search. Don't worry. In Instagram, like you people search the share option, na? They keep on changing. Still, you are able to search. App also you will be able to search. Clear, bhai sir? Chaliye. Okay then. Manogra, that is not called dream. That is called nightmare. So Madhunika, it will come. Don't worry. Don't worry. Try to search today. After the class is over, try to search. You will.